Hello everyone, welcome to Noteshelf. So what exactly is this tool? This tool allows us to take notes. They say it's for nice notes, but that depends on your handwriting. It's compatible with Android, Windows and iOS. Okay, we're in the iOS section now, but if we move, we can go to Windows and you'll see each page is different, alright? But it's all the same tool. They've won an award for essential note-taking features, though I wonder who gives out these awards. Anyway, as we can see, they're showing us how it works, okay? Here's how you can take notes, add text, alright? You can draw, add images, and paint over them. You can even create grids, it seems. And that's it, we have these type notes, okay? These are simply writing notes, dark mode. It's said to be more efficient, less work. Here we have the categories section where we can organize all our projects and tools. Now this tool, as I understand it, is paid, okay? Here they price it at €9, alright? Noteshelf notes, annotations. They price it at €9, got it? Over 100,000 downloads, 4.3 stars, 16,000 reviews, okay? So it's a tool with quite a good reputation. If I click Get It Microsoft, not sure what'll show up. There it is, €8 on Windows, see? It's compatible with a stylus, of course. I just wanted to show it to you. No tutorial, but now you know it exists. The app is very good, has great reviews, okay? In my opinion, it's probably a very, very good tool, okay? From what I've seen of how others use it, I can assure you it's a great tool. Plus, it works on all devices and has over 200 templates, as we can see, right? It lets us access our notes anywhere. There's a free trial with 3 notebooks, unlimited pages, and 100 templates. So if you want to try it out, go ahead, alright? So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in future videos.